So this is a part of my die filer build, and this block reciprocates in there. So I'd like to put some oil grooves in. So I'm thinking something like that. And I've got this ball end slot drill or milling cutter, a thing I can use to get in there. Okay, that looks like we can just about manage it. I think we're fine. Looks good. Okay, so now we can do this one here. It's not looking too bad. Could have gone a bit further with this one, but I'll settle for that. Pretty good.